Hi there, it's Janet, and today is all about the ritual for managing your thinking. Again, that beautiful quote from the Passion Test, what you put your attention on grows stronger in your life. And to the extent that you're clear, what you choose to have show up in your life will, and only to the extent that you're clear. So this is all about, what do you want to put your attention on? And again, I'm going to remind you of what my friend Beth said. Are you creating the world you want to create, or are you creating the world you don't want to create? And it's a choice, and we're all co-creators. So what we want to do is that whenever we're aware that we're not thinking something that is really serving us, you don't want to slam yourself or be down on yourself about it. No, you just want to be a conscious creator. That's what you are. And just go, oh, cancel, and then replace it with a thought that really does serve you and therefore serves others. And then remember, what you appreciate appreciates. What you appreciate absolutely appreciates. So, make sure that you're always appreciating everything that's going on in your life, every moment. I love what Byron Katie says, every moment is a gift. And then my wonderful dear friend, who's a great transformational leader, Dr. Sue Morter, always adds, no exceptions. Every moment is a gift, no exceptions. So where are the gifts? Are you noticing? And it's just about noticing. And a good exercise for anyone, if you aren't there, is to write down all the awful things that have ever happened to you, and then turn them around. How are they serving you now? How are those things serving you now? Because every single moment is a gift, and everything is always there to serve us in some way, shape, or form. Thanks, everyone. Talk to you soon.